Hi, I'm Christy. And if you're searching for a safe place, a simple way to understand how people are truly building income online, then friends, you're in the right place. This channel is for beginners. This channel is for retirees. Anyone who feels like the traditional path just didn't turn out the way that they promised. I want you to understand, I didn't start on my digital online journey because I had a big plan or I had a big tech background. I started because I wanted my time back. I wanted clarity. I wanted peace. And I wanted to realize that I didn't have to work harder and for the rest of my life. I wanted to have my time freedom. I wanted to be able to work remotely from anywhere. And working harder wasn't giving me the life and the freedom that I was praying for. So many of you have reached to this point and ask, is there another way? There has got to be another way out there. And friends, I'm here to tell you there is. I began learning digital skills step by step, not overnight, not perfect, but I was consistently doing this. And slowly things changed. Today, I work online. I teach others how to build digitally. And I lead a school community called Building Digitally with Christy. It's a place designed for people who are just starting out, just starting over, or just starting later in life. There is no pressure, there's no hustle culture, and no pretending that you already know everything there. It's just clarity, it's encouragement, and it's simple steps. Step by step by step, I will lead you into building your own ecosystem to where you understand how you can build digitally online from anywhere, my friend. You don't have to be at your home. You can be in the mountains, you can be on the beach, you can work remotely from anywhere and get your time back. If you're asking the questions, how will I start my own online business where, as a beginner, where I can get 100% profit? Is it too late to build income online? Can retirees really learn digital skills? And more importantly, where do I even begin? This channel was created for you, my friend. You don't need a big following. You don't need a product. I can show you how to get started without a product. You don't need to be tech savvy because we have everything all figured out for you. Just need a place where that you can be safe to learn. So here on this channel, I share simple explanations of digital products, how you can earn income online, beginner-friendly guidance for building digitally, encouragement for people navigating change, because change is hard, my friend. And change is something that a lot of people don't feel comfortable in. Real conversations about faith, freedom, and purpose. What is your purpose in life and where do you want to go? Everything here is explained in plain language because confusion helps no one, my friend. If you're looking for a community where you're welcome exactly where you are, I've linked my school community below. It's free. Come join me because we go step by step exactly what you need to know in order to succeed digitally online. It's a place where you can ask questions. It's a place where you can learn at your own pace. And I walk you through this journey with others who are understanding where you're starting from. We all started from where you are. Guess what? We might just be a step ahead of you or several steps ahead of you. But we're going to walk you through this journey to where you're not alone, my friend. You're not behind. You're not late. And you're not starting over. You're just starting from wisdom, knowing that there's something else out there in the world that you can go into. So welcome to my channel. Welcome to your journey and welcome to Building Digitally with Christy. I cannot wait to see you on the inside. Come join me.